Well, I'm pretty happy to report I didn't die this weekend. But if I'm honest, there were a few times it was closer than it should have been, as you're about to see. So this here's an ash tree and it's getting eaten up by the bugs. And of course, when those bugs are inside that tree like that, it attracts the woodpeckers. These little bugs just bore right through the tree. Take a look at this art that they've made. Isn't that fascinating? I mean, it does suck that it took my tree, but either way, that explains why I'm having to take it down. And as promised, yes, this tree is taken down by an electric chainsaw. After I got this tree on the ground, that's when my son was taking a nap, and his room is like right there. And this little Fisher-Price chainsaw, it kept him sleeping the whole time because it was nice and quiet. Which the other benefit to that is if you have a couple of guys running around when you're cutting this tree down, you can communicate without a loud saw. This is where the wind started picking up and you can see that last one's pointed right at the house. So for now, we're gonna wait and we're gonna start cleaning up. Callan is the man. He pretty much helped me all day yesterday. From loading the trailer to even helping me hook it up. And yes, for all the parenting police, he even got to run the remote for the dump trailer. While you let your kids play video games, I'm gonna let my son live it. And we can be different. That's okay. Overall, this cleanup wasn't too bad. I think we only had 2 runs to the dump. But as I mentioned, some of the tree is still standing. But when we have 30-mile-per-hour winds coming through, I'm probably not gonna be up in the tree that high. So with that, it's good enough for this weekend. Time for some go fish. The rest of this tree, it'll come down on Monday.